Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Isaac. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I frame my portraits, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Maybe you would love to learn how to frame portraits and maybe frame yours by yourself. Well, this is the video for you. This is Blended Art Studios, and here what we do is we make oil paintings, pencil drawings, and we show you. Now this is the frame. This is a 14 by 18 inches frame. It's a reflective frame and I like it. Here are some tools I use: the hammer, the top bond. That's my staple gun. Those are the nails and the hooks and scissors. Basically everything I need to frame this portrait. Now let's get right to the business. So I'll take off the oil painting, and then I first of all want to laminate it. This is a cold laminating film, or you can call it a plain sticker. So basically I stick the top first of all, and then I gently peel off the sticker as I roll and clean gently. Now this is a very fragile process, because if you miss it, you are going to kind of deform the laminating, so you really need to do this carefully. Then I cut off the edges of the laminated painting. I apply a little bit of top bond, or this is a more local form of top bond, still top bond anyway. On my plywood, it's a simple 14 by 18 plywood. You can get this at any carpenter shop. I recommend when you're getting this, just get a lot of it, because you can't go out every single time you need plywood. Okay, so with the top on, I just glue it, and then I fold the excess of the laminated surface, and there you have it. So I place this on my frame, and then I use my nail and hammer to put some very tiny nails on the edges of the frame. Basically, this is how any framing is done. If you want to go for picture enlargement, this is just how it is done. I actually learned from a very professional source, so I know what I'm doing here. And then I apply top bond again after I put in all the nails. I believe I put close to 16 nails there. Then with the top bond completely applied, I stick the white part of the sticker I already used. So basically the sticker performs both multiple purposes, one as the laminating film and also as the back cover of the frame, and that's really awesome. A lot of people use brown paper here, but I found this to be much more beautiful. And then with my gun, I put some pins, and now I'm going to put the hook. Yeah, you can do that with hammer, or can just press it down. And there you have it. It's a beautifully framed portrait. If you have not patronized Blended Art Studios, please do. We make beautiful artworks. Of course, your reference picture has to be beautiful too, and that's what it looks like. Thank you once again for watching my video. I love you so much. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not already done so. See you in another video.